guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today it's day 3 in Indonesia. Time check, it's 7:40 I guess, Indonesian time. So now we're heading to have a breakfast dito sa hotel. Actually, last breakfast na namin to. Then we will move to Ubud. Meron kaming binook doon na hotel for another 2 nights. So, we will explore the Ubud this time. Grabe, naramdaman ko na ngayon yung pagod ko. Halata naman, kagigising lang namin. Yeah, so this is hindi namin nasubukan yung pool dito kasi lagi kami nasa labas. So, yeah, wala na akong masabi. Puro na lang so. Let's go. To UK.
Bashir didn't say why.
Actually, she asked me to check ticket June 28. No, Bashir doesn't know anything. Ready for another day. We're transferring to Ubud, so it's kinda 2 hours. Siyempre nakachinelas lang, diba? More comfy. 2 hours drive from Seminyak to Ubud. But prior to that, pupunta muna kami sa mga ilang activities like barong dance. I'm not sure kung saan yun kasi meron kaming hinire na private driver para i-tour around kami. Sayang din naman yung oras, diba? Kasi hindi naman na namin alam kung saan yung mga best place na pupuntahan. Alright, so let's go! So, goodbye sa aming suite. I'm not sure kung napakita ko sa inyo na. So, may sitting area siya dyan. This is the hanging rack. Actually, may policy sila dito na bawal magsampay sa railings. Kaya sila nag-provide ng ganito. And then, one sit unfair, diba? And then, meron silang pa kama sa balcony from the room. So it's really spacious, and then facing the pool. So this is a Tea's Cafe, a hidden gem in Ubud. So while we are driving, to the hotel. Nakita namin to. And since gutom na rin naman kami, so we just wanted to check what they can offer. And the good thing is nagsiserve din sila ng lunch or dinner. But because the weather is really gloomy and umuulan siya, it's nice spot siya, to be honest, kapag sunny ang weather. And they are having Bali swing as well, pero hindi siya nag-ooperate because of the rain.
It doesn't continue to move on top of
Semenyak. Okay. Second day in Bali, and part siya ng onboard namin sa hotel ang breakfast. To be honest, we didn't expect na ganun lang kakonti yung option for the breakfast. Maybe because hindi namin napansin na this is a wellness resort. So, most of the food talaga is healthy siya. We didn't enjoy much our breakfast, to be honest. But, kasi medyo gutom na, alam mo yung craving mo na pagkagising mo with a nice place, and nag-expect ka, ini-imagine mo na agad na masarap yung kakainin mo on that day, but definitely not. After breakfast, I found this hidden place just next to the restaurant. So, pwede kang mag-smoke dito after your breakfast, and dito sila nagpapayoga or pilates while they are playing a very calm music. This is just next sa mga farm, rice terraces kung tawagin nila, and it's really good location. Good morning, guys. It's happy Bobby Thursday. Yeah? Wednesday. It's happy Wednesday, and today is our Fourth day, fifth day? Fourth day here in Bali, Indonesia, here in Ubud, and this is our second hotel room in Ubud. It's called Abesina Wellness and Resort. We're happy to be here sa hotel na to, kaso hindi namin magamit yung pool kasi sobrang lamig, especially kagabi. So, umuulan siya dito sa Ubud. By the way, the location is in Ubud. And today, we are preparing for our fourth day ng travel package. Actually, may binook kami na private driver. Ginagamit namin siya since nung dumating kami sa Seminyak. They are just next to the hotel. And yeah, he's good. His father has tour business, something like that. Meron silang mga parent na sasakyan at saka mga motorcycle, and at the same time may mga package tours sila that you can avail. So I will leave all the description sa vlog na to. So yeah, preparing myself. This is my OOTD for today. And ang driver namin nandyan na sa baba, naghihintay na lang, so we just preparing ourselves, and I'll see you later, guys. Yeah, it's nice.
Use the block?
Give it a look. We don't have the blue one, right?
I have.
Isa lang ang baon kong lipstick, and this is the one, Maybelline. So, tinted siya. Hindi siya madaling mawala. Well, kapag kinain mo, of course, kumakain ka na, sasama yung lipstick and it will go away. So, I just decided to bring one only na 340. Yeah, better this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Was it?
340. I think this is a little bit, or may pagka-red siya. I'm not really sure. Pero, alam mo yun, kapag nag-red lipstick ka, that's enough for the day. Hindi mo na kailangan ng marami pang makeup kasi nga may humid naman dito. And I'm just adding my brows para hindi naman siya mukhang kalbot tignan. Yes, Bobby. Yeah, it's nice.
Better, better?
Yeah, it's better than with the slipper. We're currently here at Monkey Forest. I thought you didn't bring your mobile bag.
Yes, sir.
they have guidelines here. Do not look to the monkey in the eye. Ganun, ganyan. Kaba.
Look here. Look back. 1, 2. Okay, one more.
Yep.
Thank you.
Ra có sẽ stop vô.
After Bali Swing, nag-decide kami na bumalik ng hotel para naman matry namin ang swimming pool nila in the middle of the jungle. Lagi kami napapadaan pag lumalabas kami. And today is our last day dito sa hotel. Mag-check out na kami tomorrow. We will move to another hotel inside Ubud also. But for now, we just wanted to try this and kasama na yung dalawang drinks namin as part of our package sa hotel. And then after this, but before that, kung nagtatanong kayo kung malamig yung tubig, medyo but manageable naman siya and na-enjoy namin siya kahit na 1 oras lang. Kasi we cannot stay longer dahil meron pa akong spa na gagawin after this. It's a bit pricey pero I just wanna try a bamboo massage dito mismo sa Indonesia. Until here. You want a picture?
Hmm?
The picture, this is video. Picture? Hey, welcome sa aming private pool. So, okay na, nakagayak na kami for the floating breakfast. Hinihintay na lang namin yung delivery. And we're just hoping na makayanan namin yung lamig. Kasi kapag ganito lang siya, hindi naman siya malamig. Pero syempre kapag yung buong katawan na. By the way guys, this is 1.3 meters yung lalim niya. And so naka-attach siya dun sa mayroon sa ano namin sa may toilet. And
But
they're coming in 5 minutes. So excited? No, ma-experience ko yung floating breakfast. Actually, ano lang naman, very basic lang yung in-order namin. Omelette, then juices, and coffee. So,
let me go down first. Only like this, you will not go down?
I would.
So I will come to you only?
Yeah, I'm coming from here. No, but when you're inside.
Thank you. Welcome to Chicago.
On our way to location. It was a 20 minutes drive from the main office. Medyo kabado ako. This will be my first time to do it. Sure. I'm nervous. So very nervous. So that's the thing. So after 100 steps, we reach.
Ready, go, ready, go.
Stop. Listen to me.
Oh, I kept asking for buko, which hindi nila maintindihan kasi coconut ito. But this time it's sweet. This is my fourth coconut in Bali, and this is the best one so far. This is our third destination for today. It's the holy temple where you can do the spring healing, I guess. Ah, that's different one when you want to pray. This is where they are doing the healing from the spring water. So first na kailangan mo mag-purchase ng green sarong. That's around 10,000 Indonesian rupees. And then you will go to the where the praying place before you enter and do the water, the spring bath. It's just a small palace. Ah, okay. That's We are back now in Seminyak and our first trip is the Canggu Lab Anchor. This is popular sa mga pasalubong items when you travel to Bali. I didn't expect na maliit lang pala siya. But since nakita ko siya sa TikTok and maraming good reviews, alam mo na, when it comes to social media. And medyo na-disappoint lang ako because nothing special, to be honest. Ano lang siya, bazaar lang siya ng mga gift items. Then, after the Canggu, after the Lab Anchor, ang tagal namin nag-isip kung saan kami pupunta. And finally, we decided to go here sa Luna Beach Club. Isa to sa mga pricey na beach club. But if you were gonna ask me kung worth ba, definitely, big time. Yes. Sobrang ganda ng place, napakaluwang ng place. And when it comes to food, amazing food, service, yes. Location, 100% really good kasi next siya sa dagat and nakaka-relax talaga yung sound ng mga waves niya. And yun talagang design ng mga, alam mo yun, yung dito mo lang talaga siya makikita. Or maybe because hindi pa ako nakakapunta sa ibang part ng Indonesia. But so far, this is really, really recommended. When you visit Indonesia, please go to this beach bar. But it's so dark. This is it. It's Sunday morning. Happy Sunday morning. So today, yung last day namin dito sa Indonesia. Oh my goodness. Dito ko naramdaman talaga yung sobrang pagod. But we decided to take a walk muna sa Seminyak Beach. Kasi marami kaming naririnig na maganda yung sunset nila dito. But sad to say, hindi na namin mawi-witness yung sunset kasi pa check out na kami sa hotel around 3 p.m. So, yeah, we will just gonna have breakfast here bago bumalik sa hotel, mag-pack ng things, and ready to go to the airport. Tomorrow will be in Dubai and we will definitely going to miss Bali, Indonesia, and hopefully we will gonna come back here soon. Maybe next year and see the different side of Indonesia.